हैप्पी बर्थडे दिलीप है।
हेलो, हैप्पी बर्थडे दिलीप। जुग जुग जियो, भगवान तुम्हें तरक्की दे, हमेशा खुश रहो। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Hey Dilip, a very, very, very happy birthday to you. God bless you with good health, happiness, and prosperity always. The best thing about you is your smile, and I think Ridu has inherited that from you. You're a great person by heart. You're a lovely husband. You're a great son. You're a great father and a good friend. And more than everything else, you're a great human. Please be the way you are. Keep smiling. I still remember, our courtship time. In fact, the first time when we met, in Chennai. At that time, it was Madras though. And on your birthday, we went to Trident, wherein you treated me for your birthday in Trident Hotel, and actually you were guiding me how to go and take a buffet. Okay, I still remember that. I wish you were here. We would have actually gone ahead and created more memories. Really miss you. Love you lots. Take care of yourself. Uh, Always be safe. Be happy, and keep smiling, smiling, smiling. Take care. Love you.
Philip, very, very, very happy 50th birthday, brother. God bless you, dost. Our student life, school life, college life, our GVD association. My God, what a life we have had. Huh? All those trips and all those fun we have had all along, 50 years. All those times when we think about it, we give you such a pleasure, man. It was great being associated with you all this life, and maybe take this association for another 50 years to the next level. So much of fun and how we have gelled, and that was some life. I'd love to remember this. God bless you. Uh, Wish you a very happy birthday. Have a big blast, okay? When you come here, you'll have a bigger blast, okay? God bless.
Happy birthday, Papa. 51 years old and you still act like you're 15. But I think that's the best part about you. You're so far, but you're right here. So you're really near. And we love it whenever you're here in reality. Um, I think that you should take this day and really figure out what all you want to achieve this year, because you actually can. Like, I've seen uh, rapid change in you, like over the last 2 3 years itself. How much you have decided that you will, get better and get more awesome. So, like, your crazy fat to fit transformation, uh, your last year, and oh my god, so fit. My goodness. Like, you climbed those 1400, 2100 steps in like 30 minutes. Crazy, crazy person. God, Papa, nothing can stop you, okay? If you set your mind to it, you can do literally anything in the world. And you have done literally crazy things that even you didn't think that you're capable of doing. And I don't know why this took a motivational tone, I guess, or lecture. But Papa, I love you. I love you from the bottom of my heart, and I miss you. And I wish that you were here and we'd have fun, and we could drink, we could party, and have cake. Something you'll be missing there. I wish we could do all of those things, but very soon, very soon. Let's hope this is your last birthday you celebrate here. Hopefully next year you'll be here because of the holidays thing you told me. It made me very happy. But yeah, आ जाओ यार, जल्दी आ जाओ. Let's figure out a way. Okay, okay. Too emotional. Why am I going through these phases, ups and downs of emotions right now? I miss you, Papa. You're the best dad I could ever hope for. Like, I've never thought, shit, I wish I had that guy's dad. Never. Always thought you were great and you are actually a model parent that I would be to my son or daughter. I don't know why I always think of son first. So I guess because of you and me, because of us. Yeah, I'm not like crazy or something or sexist. Shh. Really wish I could cut this part of the video out, but I can't because it's too long already. I can't retake all of this, and it feels real. So inappropriate. That's me. It's always been me. I love you, Papa. I cherish you, and you're like one of the smartest people I know, or the coolest people I know. I have so much to learn from you, which is why I keep saying, write that book. Please do. You know what book I'm talking about. Please write it. I love you. Happy birthday. You're amazing. Bye. Shh. Really wish I could cut this part of the video out, but I can't because it's too long already. I can't retake all of this, and it feels real. So inappropriate. That's me. It's always been me. I love you, Papa. I cherish you, and you're like one of the smartest people I know, or the coolest people I know. I have so much to learn from you, which is why I keep saying, write that book. Please do. You know what book I'm talking about. Please write it. I love you. Happy birthday. You're amazing. Bye. I forgot to add this. Bapu ve kalam road नीन किए लादे जोर बापू मान डापा.
Many happy returns of the day, my dear brother. Wish you all the best of the health, best in your profession. Hope to see you in November. Have a big day.
Happy birthday, Bobby. God bless you. Enjoy your day. Bye.
हैप्पी बर्थडे बॉबी पप्पे, हमेशा खुश रहो। और आपकी बहुत याद आती है। बाउली मठ को तो आप याद करते ही होंगे। जगन्नाथ यात्रा पे जब हम गए थे तो उस समय हम बाउली मठ गए थे, बाउली मठ। वो बहुत याद आती है आपका ट्रिप। और विशाखापट्टनम में घूमना आपके साथ, चंडीगढ़ घूमना बच्चों के साथ जब आप आए थे भाभी के साथ, वैष्णो देवी जाना, ये सभी बातें आपकी बहुत याद आती हैं। और सब ठीक है, खुश रहो। हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Happy birthday, Bobby Bhaiya.
Happy birthday, Bobby Pappe.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, dear Dilip. May God bless you. May you get all the happiness in your coming years and stay blessed.
Namaste Ji, many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with everlasting health and happiness. Please take care of yourself. This is lockdown time. I hope you are in good health. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Dilip uncle. I hope you're doing well. My most treasured memory with you would be when you come to Porur and bring me a lot of gifts. And that same night we are having dinner together and having a lot of intellectual conversations. I also really like the vibe that you have. It's really warm and friendly, and you make anybody, younger or older to you really comfortable. So, happy birthday once again, and hope you stay safe.
Wish you a very, very happy birthday, uncle. You are so far away from your friends and family. I'm sure you'll be missing them a lot extra on this day. But sending you a lot of love and well wishes from India. Hope to see you soon. Bye. Have a good day.
Happy birthday, Papa! I love you. Let me tell you a few things that I really miss about you. The most thing I miss right now is the way we used to talk. आप बहुत ज़्यादा बातें करते हो, बहुत हंसाते हो, बहुत क्यूट चीज़ें करते हो मेरे को मनाने के लिए, एंड दैट आई विल नेवर फॉरगेट. ठीक है. देन सेकेंड थिंग इज़ आपका वे ऑफ टीचिंग मी थिंग्स इज़ अमेजिंग. ठीक है. आपका पेशेंस इज़ ऑफ लिमिट्स. आपका पेशेंस कोई भी मैच नहीं कर सकता. एंड आपका ढंग जो होता है ना कुछ भी सिखाने का, दैट इज़ जस्ट परफेक्ट. क्योंकि आप दूसरे को इंकरेज करते हो, दूसरे को काम रखते हो और बहुत अच्छे से सिखाते हो चीज़ें. और अगर बात की जाए खाना खाने की एंड बाहर घूमने की, तो आप ही मेरे बेस्ट कंपेनियन हो. अब मेरे को हर टाइम बाहर लेके जाते थे. जब भी मेरा मन करे मैं आपको बोलती थी पापा चलो कहीं चलते, एंड आप बस रेडी हो जाते थे. इमीडिएटली 10-15 मिनट में हम लोग कोई जगह होते थे, कुछ चटूरी चीज़ खाते थे. एंड वो सब मैं बहुत मिस करती हूँ आजकल, बिकॉज हम लोग अभी पानी पूरी खाने नहीं जा रहे हैं, ऐसे ही रैंडम चीज़ें खाने नहीं जा रहे कोई भी रैंडम होटल में या कोई भी ऐसे रोड साइड जगह में. तो दैट आई मिस अ लॉट. मम्मा भी वो करती हैं बट आपके जितना तो नहीं है. आपके साथ तो बेस्ट है. आपके बिना अभी मेरे को थोड़ा सा बोरिंग लगता है. आप घर पे जब रहते हो तब बहुत ज़्यादा मस्ती करते हैं हम लोग, बहुत ज़्यादा ही. आप हर चीज़ पे डिस्कस करते हो मेरे साथ. दैट इज़ अनदर रियली गुड क्वालिटी अबाउट यू. यू टॉक टू मी अबाउट एवरीथिंग. आवर बॉन्ड इज़ अमेजिंग. I really love our bond because more than a father you are also my best friend, like how mama is also. But आपके साथ वो cool dad वाले feel आता है, पता है, तो वैसा है. And मेरे को आपका हर चीज़, I miss everything about you right now papa, because you are there in Maldives and I am here in India in Vizag, and मेरे पास कुछ है नहीं यहाँ पे करने के लिए. आपके बिना बहुत बोरिंग सा है यार. तो जल्दी आओ, जल्दी मिलते हैं. I miss you a lot. I love you a lot, and I really admire you, Papa. You're the best. You are my inspiration, and बस आप बहुत अच्छे हो जैसे हो. ठीक है. तो keep smiling and keep doing whatever you do as a person, because you are amazing. ठीक है. You are the best. You're the best Papa I could ever ask for. आपके बिना तो पता नहीं क्या होंगी मैं. बहुत बोरिंग होता है लाइफ आपके बिना पापा. सो आई विल कैच अप विद यू सून. वी विल मीट सून. वी विल गो आउट अगेन सून एंड वी विल टॉक अ लॉट मोर. एंड आई मिस योर बेड टाइम स्टोरीज ऑल्सो. अब भी तो बहुत लेट हो गया. बेड टाइम स्टोरीज़ के लिए बड़ी हो गई हूँ, बट फिर भी आपके वो बचपन वाले जो बेड टाइम स्टोरीज़ होते थे, रैबिट वाला, पता नहीं लायन वाला, क्या कुछ तो होता था, ऐसे ही बना के आप बोलते थे, वो सब मैं बहुत मिस करती हूँ. एंड आपकी कुकिंग स्किल्स भी बहुत मिस करती हूँ, बिकॉज आप तो कुछ भी दे दो, आपको सब्जियाँ कोई भी चीज़ बनाने को बोलो, आपको बोलो कि मैं हंगरी हूँ मम्मा, मैं आई एम हंगरी पापा, तो आप बस इमीडिएटली बना देते थे कुछ. तो एंड योर इनोवेशन, लाइक वो कुकिंग में भी इतने सारे अलग अलग चीज़ें ट्राई करते हो, और पता नहीं कैसे सबसे ज़्यादा टेस्टी बन जाता है वो. आपकी चटूरी आपको बहुत ज़्यादा मिस करती है पापा. यू आर दी बेस्ट. लव यू.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dilip uncle. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Dilip, happy birthday to you Dilip. We cherish all the moments we all were together in Chennai, in Red Hills. कितने birthdays चले गए हैं. We all are now 50 plus, but the memories are still alive in our mind. I just cannot forget when, you know, we all were together since you got married. In fact, before you got married, the way you proposed Seema, the way I was torturing you for that, and then after marriage, during marriage, all those moments, it looks like as if it was just few years ago, and then, you know, suddenly we all have become in 50s now. बच्चों की शादी है, सब कुछ है, but the memories are too good, yeah. What we all shared together, superb memories. All those, fun. Going for the trips together, and then families together, children together. Wonderful moments, yeah. Okay, now I wish you a great success, and I wish that you stay safe and healthy. And once you're done with your Maldives, you come back, and then we again all enjoy those days and moments that we had already together. Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday, Dilip. Maldives, you come back, and then we again all enjoy those days and moments that we had already together. Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday, Dilip. Stay safe, stay blessed, and love you loads, Dilip. Take care, dear.
Hi Mausaji, wishing you a very happy birthday. Enjoy your life and have a great year ahead. May God bless you with all the things you want in your life and have a wonderful year ahead. Wishing you once again a very, very, very happy birthday.
Hi Dilip uncle, wishing you a very happy birthday. May God bless you. The memory that I have stuck in my mind about you right now would be the dance that you did during New Year's. It's still stuck in my head. As I hear the song, I only recollect things about you, your dance moves, and the fun we have when you're around. I love you, Dilip uncle. Hope you have a great year ahead.
Hi Dilip, wish you a fun-filled, fabulous 50. May the next 50 years of your amazing life be even more amazing than the first 50. I wish you a happy birthday.
हाय दिलीप, चीयर्स, हैप्पी बर्थडे। दिलीप कितने साल का हो गया तू?
Hi Dilip uncle, wishing you a very, 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 very happy birthday. Have a wonderful, joyful, awesome, blossom year ahead. Be as fantastic as you are always. It's so wonderful to have you around. You are full of life and full of energy. I love the way you dance, you sing, and you really enjoy every moment in your life, and that's so wonderful about you. And I really admire that you stay well connected with each and everyone around you whom you know, and you go that extra mile to really know other people as well and stay in touch with people, which matters a lot in today's world, because somewhere or the other we are all very disconnected. So what I really admire about you is that you try to connect with people, you try to build a rapport, stay in touch with everyone, which is wonderful, and that's something that I really like about you. I really, really wish and pray for a wonderful, successful year for you, and looking forward to meeting you soon. Take care, have a nice year. See you, happy birthday.
Hello uncle, happy birthday. The best memory that we had is we used to sit and drink and we used to talk about life, you, me and Karan, and we used to get lost into those conversations, and it was super fun, and I think that's the best memory I had with you.